I remember my first recession. Businesses suddenly stopped buying upgrades. Their current version was enough. This is back when we sold software. And the sales team that I was managing went from making six figures to virtually half overnight. They were distraught. They had bills to pay. They were wondering if they're going to lose their job. So, what did we do? Well, there wasn't a lot we could do immediately, but we turned to focusing on future deals, and we turned those deals into subscriptions. We were one of the first SaaS companies to do that. Back then, they were called ASPs. This was a long time ago. So if you're in the same boat, look at what you have and how you could change the situation in the future so this doesn't happen again. What can you do? What can you do to make sure that the revenues continue? That is what I'd be focused on right now as you're sitting at home wondering, what's going to happen next. Also, if you're in a physical retail location, you're in trouble. You were in trouble pre-corona because people are forced into buying online and are even getting more accustomed to it. You simply must move online or fail. I hate to be the bearer of bad news, but somebody's got to tell you. And I don't mean to sound harsh, but it's going to happen. There are, of course, a few exceptions, but not many. And most likely, you're not one of them. And this is my PSA to you. If you're looking for an expert in e-commerce, I know the best out there. I know the best teams. I've worked with them. Let me know if you want to have a discussion with them, because retail is going to change. It's going to change dramatically. And as a result of this quarantine, it's only going to be expedited.